Hey learners, welcome to our series 20 sums, 20 days for class 10th board exams CBSE 2026. In these 20 days, we are going to solve 20 different sums which have a very high probability to come in your board exams. So please pay attention. Today we are going to talk about this very interesting sum which tells us that a train travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 54 kilometers and then travels a distance of 63 kilometers at an average speed of 6 kilometers per hour more than the first speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, what is its first speed in kilometers per hour and meters per second? So, how are we going to solve this kind of a sum? So, first we need to define our variable. Here, since we are talking about speed, these are speed time problems. Speed time problems always come under the topic quadratic equations. So, here we have let the original average speed of the train, that is the first speed, be x kilometers per hour. Then, what would be, so if x is my first speed, then the second speed would be x plus 6 kilometers per hour. Now, what do we know about distance and speed? So we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So same way we can write time is equal to distance upon speed, and we use this here. So for 54 kilometers the speed was x, the time taken was t1, we can call it t1. For the second case, the distance covered was 63 kilometers and the speed was x plus 6 kilometers per hour. And the total time taken for both the journeys is 3 kilometers. So we equate it to 3 kilometers. The next thing we do is take this x and this x plus 6 on the other side, or actually simplify it. How do we simplify it? I'm just writing it for you. It can be written as 54 times x plus 6 plus 63x, the whole thing divided by x times x plus 6, which is equal to 3. Now I can take this x plus 6 plus x on the other side and write it as 54. तो ये मेरा आंसर आ जाएगा 54x times 54 times 6 is 324 plus 63x is equal to ये जो 3 था इसको ये डिनोमिनेटर से मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया. Now when I solve both the sides, I end up with a quadratic equation which tells it is equal to x square minus 33x minus 108 is equal to 0. So we can use factorization to solve this. We can write x square minus 36x plus 3x minus 108 is equal to 0. Then take x as common in this and 3 as common in this and get the final answer as x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 36. If you're going for your board exams or one of your friends is going for your board exams, please follow the Learners Academy so that we can help you out as much as possible.